thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time looking at me right now, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to also turn on your post notifications real quick for me, and like and comment and also subscribe. If this is not your first time looking at me and you already subscribed, what's up, fam? How you doing? How you doing, bud? But yeah, today I'm going to continue a talk that I did about 2 weeks ago. Some things that I left out. Actually, it's only one thing that I really left out. But you know, over this past month, I really started, and I made a vision. Like I said, I made a vision board like before 2017 ended, and I told myself like I gotta meditate more, I gotta read books more, especially self-help books. Did I say help? What did I say? I don't know what I just said. Self-help books, self-development books, because I need to develop myself a little bit more, mature more, grow more. And honestly, a lot of these self-help books, they do help me a lot when it comes to focusing more on my goals and to be determined to, and some of them are like sources of motivation for me, because I do not really get motivation that much where else, like from, you know, people around me. So yeah, I do need to be more positive, and that's something that I am trying to do with, especially reading these books or whatever. I'm reading Think and Grow Rich. I started reading it years ago, but I stopped, and so I pretty much started reading that book again a few months ago, but I didn't really start reading it heavy until like about 2 or 3 months ago. And now I'm like 2/3 done with that book. That's a great book. I recommend it. That's like a great book. Self-education is the best education. I should have said that in the beginning of this video. But yeah, self-education is the best education. So make sure you read some books, especially self-help books. I'm like saying self-help for what reason? But yeah, self-development books. I'm also reading The Art of Not Giving a Fuck, because I'm a sensitive ass female. I need to not give a fuck. Like, I'm really sensitive. So, and a lot of things get to me. So I need to like chill and not give a fuck. So I'm reading The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. I don't remember the name of the author. It's Mark something. But I'm almost done reading that book. I need to reread The 4 Agreements. I read it months ago. I need to reread it. That's a great book also. And there's also a synopsis of what that book is. Of what the 4 agreements are on my Instagram page. So make sure you don't forget to, you know, follow me on Instagram for your makeup stuff, your YouTube stuff, well, my YouTube stuff, and some motivational quotes and inspirational stuff. Over my little break, I really wanted to focus on myself and really develop myself and stuff. Like, I was really reading books every day. I still read books almost every day now, but before I was reading them like every day. I need to like make time to really read books every day, like I used to. I did read like The Subtle Art of Not Giving an F last night. It was good. But yeah, like I was saying, I need to read The 4 Agreements all over again, because something happened last week and it was like everything that I've learned from The Subtle Art of Giving an F and The 4 Agreements seem to go out the window. The Subtle Art of Not Giving an F is actually, I could say like more entertaining to read, kind of. That's a really good book. I like that book a lot. Like, I feel like a lot of people don't really care about me and what I'm doing, but it's okay. And I really need to not really care about that. Just do you, boo, you know. There was this other book I started reading, The 40-Hour Work Week. I started reading that book. It's by Tim Ferriss, I think. He's like a huge entrepreneur, you know, millionaire or whatever. So I have another book too that I started reading. I have to re-download a few books, because my phone, I had to restore my phone. It's an old phone, so I had to restore it. Like, I tried charging it one day and it just was like, nah, you ain't charging it, just restore your phone. So I had to restore my phone, and all my books from all my books from iBooks got deleted. So I have to re-download that Tim Ferriss book, The 40-Hour Work Week, and there's this other book. It's like Habits of a Millionaire. I think that's the name of the book. I have to re-download it, because I started reading both all my other books got deleted. Like, all my books got deleted. So I have to re-download it and, you know, catch up on that book. So let me know any books that you're reading down below. Recommend me any more books for me to read, because, you know, knowledge is power and the mind is the dangerous thing to waste, and self-education is the best education. You can have a formal education. Formal education is great, But it looks like formal education isn't necessary to be successful in life. There's nothing more impressive than a person who reads books and is self-educated. So yeah, guys, be blessed, be positive, read your damn books. READABL. Okay! And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.